Hi, I'm Aqua with WTI.
When was the last time you got a new trash can? It's probably been a while, so it's time to upgrade and get this really beautifully sleek trash can. This is the small stainless steel garbage can by Eidustor. I really like that this is a foot pedal open. I also like how easy it is to empty. It has simple holes where you can pull them out easily and empty. Also, I thought the components on the inside were really quality. That's not going to break anytime soon. This works really well in a bathroom, but really any room this trash can can work. It works nice in an office or even a bedroom, you name it, this trash can will work. It has that nice design that could work in any space. I also was very impressed with how quiet it is when it closes. There's virtually no sound. So that is very nice, a little bonus that you can have a quiet close lid as well. Just listen to this. No sound. Isn't that amazing? I was really pleased with this trash can and I hope you are as well.
And that's my point of view.